Dear parents and students, welcome to Stockland Green School End of Year Assembly. It has been another amazing year, and as a school, we have continued to achieve great things, even though our final term has been overshadowed by coronavirus pandemic. Despite this, we all collectively made an effort to improve our independent learning and excel in remote education. We are here to celebrate you today, and is usually the highlight of the year for us. Sadly, we can't all be together in person. Also, we are going to miss seeing your faces light up when you receive your awards. Now, my colleagues will be presenting your awards in the following categories: House Participation, House Progress, House Attainment, and House Points.
Morning everybody. We're going to do the Form Attendance Awards now. You know that in Stockland Green, this is so important for us because we know that students who attend get the best grades. So I'm delighted to say that in the future, with the three forms that we're looking at, we expect top results from some of these students. Just you watch in a few years' time. I'm giving it away there to some of the younger year groups. In a few years' time, there are going to be students from these forms who are doing exceptionally well in their GCSEs. In third position, well done to 8TA with 95.77%. National average attendance is 94.6, so they've smashed that. Even better, in second position, we have a Coal House and it's 8CA, 96%. They've cracked the 96% figure. Again, smashed the national average. What a fantastic result from some of our Year 8 students, stars of the future. If we want to see absolute stars of the future, look at this. It won't surprise you that it's Coal. I'm going to tell you it's Year 7 and it's 7CA who've had a fantastic attendance year, 96.27%. Really proud of that. And as I said, stars of the future. Now, this leads us on to the House Attendance Award. I wonder if those previous form figures will give you a clue as to who's won this year. In third position, we have Tame, 94.2%. Slightly disappointing Tame, just under national average. Surprisingly, given with the slides we've just seen, second position, we have Coal with 94.36%. And finally, top of the tree, Ray House, 94.38%. Look at the difference there. It's tiny. It's probably one student, a couple of days absence. That's the difference it makes. But well done to those students who've tried so hard to get in every day. We are really proud of you. Well done.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm thrilled to have been asked to award the House Participation Award. Participation points can be gained by students in lots of different ways, and it's always to do with house. So representing their house and ensuring that their house is obviously the very best that they can be. During this period, we have had our house challenge cards that have provided challenges for our children, but also for their families. I know that a lot of staff have also enjoyed taking part in these small activities that have been around crafts, baking, mental health and well-being, and keeping fit, and hopefully lots of fun. So in third place, we have Ray House. And in second place, we have Coal House. That means that the winners of the House Participation Award for this academic term are Tame House. Congratulations, Tame.
Hello, Stockland Green. Over to myself, Mr. Castle, to announce the House Progress Award. I am delighted once again to announce this award. This award is based on the progress made by students across all of their subjects as nominated by your class teachers and heads of faculty, and recognises the excellent work that you have been doing both pre and post lockdown. So congratulations to the winners when they're announced. I know you've all been working really hard over the period that we've not been with you, and we can't wait to get you back together in September and to hear about your summer and to get back into our studies as a school. So without further ado, in third place for the House Progress Award is Tame House, unlucky Tame House. In second place for the House Progress Award is Ray House, which means the winners of the house is my own house, Cole House. So congratulations to Cole House on the House Progress Award. And also, can I just point out that no, I have not grown another beard over lockdown. It is just an old photo, and I will get a new one done in September. Once again, guys, have a great summer. On to the next award.
It is now my privilege to announce the award for the house with the highest level of academic attainment. In third place, we have Tame House. In second place, we have Ray House, and so that means in first place, very many congratulations to Cole House. Well done to everyone who's contributed to that tremendous achievement.
Stockland Green, I am missing your faces so much. What a shame we can't gather today in the sports hall. But what a wonderful chance to go through and celebrate your achievements this year. Well done to everyone in Cole House who achieved house points, either for participation, for excellent attainment, or for great effort. Particular shout out to Amy, who is going to be picking up her silver award today for her house points, and for Cara, who we'd like to award gold. Really well done, fantastic effort from both girls, and thank you to everyone else who's gained house points throughout the academic year. It's not just Cole, Ray students, you've been accruing house points as well. And I want to give a shout out today to Alima and to Mohammed, who have achieved their silver and gold awards. Really well done to both of you. So there's no tame tiger running around today, but I would like to say a massive well done to Miranda and Sophia for achieving their silver and bronze house point awards for Tame House. Really well done to every single student who's managed to pick up those house points, both before lockdown and during as well. If you haven't already, why don't we stand up and we'll do a quick Mexican wave. Let's start at the right hand side of the room and go all the way over to the left hand side. Excellent work. Well done, everyone.
We come now to the House Point Awards. So in third place we have Ray with 5,538 house points. In second place we have Cole with 7,003 house points. And that means in first place we have Tame with 7,130 house points. So congratulations to all three houses, and congratulations especially to Tame. Well done.
Form House Point Award. In third place, 10TB. In second place, 10RA. And in first place, 10CA. Congratulations to all.
Well, the end of this academic year is here, and I'm sure you'll all agree that it's been a year that we are never ever going to forget, certainly not in a hurry anyway. It's been really important for me and the school community that we have still remained in contact, and some of our routines still in place. So assemblies have been a really important part of lockdown, so it was really important that we continued in our same style with our final assembly. I've been really proud of how you, the student body, have adapted to lockdown. You've still shown the commitment and enthusiasm to your learning, as well as the house system and wider activities. And lots of that has been recognised in this assembly and also the House assemblies that have also taken place. All of those things wouldn't have been possible without the support of your teachers and support staff in school. They have really gone above and beyond to ensure that those opportunities and those connections have remained. Our Stockland Green family has shown exactly what it's made of during this lockdown, and I couldn't be more proud. I say it time and time again that I have the best job, and I really, really do. I work with the most incredible staff who are so committed, and I work with students that inspire me every single day with their hard work, dedication, and how they overcome many challenges, of which we have seen throughout lockdown. The final message from me then is to continue to stay well, stay safe, follow any government guidance that comes out and any changes that happen during the summer holidays. And we cannot wait to see you in September. School has been a very cold and quiet place during lockdown, and I can't wait for it to be full of fun, full of noise, and full of enthusiastic children. Obviously there's going to be some changes, but together we will ensure that you continue to thrive in our school. So take care, farewell, and lots of love. See you in September.